Have you ever noticed that some older men naturally earn respect and interest from women, while others, despite meaning well, somehow create the opposite reaction? It's a sensitive topic, but an important one for any man who values self-awareness, growth, and meaningful connection. In today's Stoic Pro lesson, we're exploring how timeless Stoic wisdom can reveal 3 common mistakes that unintentionally make an older man seem unsettling instead of grounded. And more importantly, how to rise above them so your presence becomes calm, composed, and genuinely attractive. Stay with me, because understanding these lessons can completely transform how you show up in the world. The first mistake is what I call false control, or being emotionally attached to how interactions turn out. This happens when a man tries to steer conversations, influence reactions, or chase validation. Maybe he gives constant compliments, pushes too hard for attention, or looks discouraged when things don't go his way. Stoicism teaches the opposite mindset. We can control our actions and attitudes, but never the thoughts or emotions of others. When a man's worth depends on approval, he gives away his peace and projects insecurity. Women sense that instantly. A stoic, grounded man focuses on character, effort, and integrity, then releases the outcome. His emotional center remains steady. Ironically, that independence and calm detachment is what makes him more magnetic. The second trap is living inside past achievements and expecting admiration because of them. Some older men lean too heavily on history, the job they once had, the status they held, the stories they repeat, or the belief that age alone earns them attention. This can become entitlement disguised as confidence. Stoic philosophy reminds us that only our present behavior reflects who we truly are. Character lives in the moment, in humility, curiosity, and respect. A grounded man doesn't dominate conversations or dismiss younger voices. He listens, he engages, he learns. Real confidence is quiet. It doesn't demand recognition. It attracts it naturally through presence and integrity. The third, and perhaps most damaging, mistake is emotional reactivity. This appears as irritability, insecurity, anger, or unpredictable mood swings. When a man hasn't developed emotional regulation, others sense instability and discomfort around him. Stoic thinkers like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus emphasized mastery of the inner world. Not suppression, but disciplined awareness. A man who loses control of his reactions shows a lack of maturity, no matter his age. True strength is the ability to pause, reflect, and respond thoughtfully. Calm energy signals safety, and safety is deeply attractive. Stoicism calls this state inner steadiness, not coldness, but freedom from destructive emotional spikes. A man who protects his peace, maintains composure under stress, and takes responsibility for his mind becomes someone others trust. That is masculine leadership, not loud, not controlling, but anchored. If this spoke to you, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing for more Stoic Pro guidance, and sharing your reflections in the comments. What behaviors have you noticed, in yourself or others? And which Stoic principles help you navigate relationships and social life? I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay grounded, stay disciplined, and stay stoic.